Hello everyone, Andrew Guasch again here with Authentic Dynamics. In today's tutorial we will be covering the all property in CSS, one of the most utilized or most helpful properties that I've come across while utilizing CSS itself. The all property lets you control all the properties of an element in one swift swoop. The all property is a reset utility. It can reset every property of an element to default, inherited, or specific values. Its main values are unset, initial, inherit, and revert. So here's a quick breakdown of how this works. We'll break down and look into my code here. We just have 4 separate boxes. Each is set with one of their values, just as the text. I'm going to set each of this property of all to whatever it says, unset, initial, inherit, or revert. And we'll go through and we'll just kind of see how this is actualized in code. So we're going to set the unset box to unset, and as we note, we revert back from what the initial settings are of the background along with the color of the text, positioning and padding, everything else. So we know how that works. We're going to set initial to the initial, and as we do that here, we'll see that it is actually gone. The reason this is gone is because there are no values initially set to anything here. So when we hit initial, there's no reason that this would be displayed. There's no color to the text, anything of the sort. There's no padding, no background, anything of the sort. We'll go ahead and we'll set the unset box, or sorry, we already did that, the inherit box to inherit, being that this is just a container within the body itself. Can anybody guess what this is going to do here? If anybody guessed that it's simply just going to be the text itself without any other, the font size is obviously the difference here along with the centering of it. And then we're going to hit here revert. Revert, anybody have an idea what's going to happen here? The revert box itself also, well, that's not right. We'll set these guys to boop. And we see the revert box itself actually goes back and it undoes all the other properties to it. Thank you for joining in here. Enjoy.